Question number 1. Who was the first Palayakarar to resist the East India Company's policy of territorial aggrandizement? The options are A. Marudhu Brothers, B. Pulithevar, C. Velu Nachiyar, D. Veerapandiya Kattabomman. The answer is B. Pulithevar. Question number 2. Who had borrowed money from the East India Company to meet the expenses he had incurred during the Carnatic Wars? The options are A. Velu Nachiyar, B. Pulithevar, C. Nawab of Arcot, D. Raja of Tiruvarungur. The answer is C. Nawab of Arcot. Question number 3. Who had established close relationship with the three agents of Chanda Sahib? The options are A. Velu Nachiyar, B. Kattabomman, C. Pulithevar, D. Omadurai. The answer is C. Pulithevar. Question number 4. Where was Sivasubramaniar executed? The options are A. Kayathar, B. Nagalapuram, C. Virupachi, D. Panjalagurichi. The answer is B. Nagalapuram. Question number 5. Who issued the Tiruchirappalli Proclamation of Independence? The options are A. Marudhu Brothers, B. Pulithevar, C. Veerapandiya Kattabomman, D. Gopala Nayak. The answer is A. Marudhu Brothers. Question number 6. When did the Vellore Revolt break out? The options are A. 24th May 1805, B. 10th July 1805, C. 10th July 1806, D. 10th September 1806. The answer is C. 10th July 1806. Question number 7. Who was the commander-in-chief responsible for the new military regulation in Vellore Fort? The options are A. Colonel Fancourt, B. Major Armstrong, C. Sir John Cradock, D. Colonel Agnew. The answer is C. Sir John Cradock. Question number 8. Where were the sons of Tipu Sultan sent after the Vellore Revolt? The options are A. Calcutta, B. Mumbai, C. Delhi, D. Mysore. The answer is A. Calcutta. Question number 1. The Palayakarars system was put in place in Tamil Nadu by dash. The answer is Viswanatha Nayak. Question number 2. Velu Nachiyar and her daughter were under the protection of dash for 8 years. The answer is Gopala Nayakar. Question number 3. Bannerman deputed dash to convey his message asking Kattabomman to surrender. The answer is Ramalinganar. Question number 4. Kattabomman was hanged to death at dash. The answer is Kayathar. Question number 5. The rebellion of Marudhu Brothers were categorized in the British records as the dash. The answer is Second Palayakarar War. Question number 6. Dash was declared the new Sultan by the rebels in Vellore Fort. The answer is Fatak Haidar. Choose the correct statement. Question number 1. The Palayakaras system was in practice in the Kakatiya kingdom. 2. Pulithevar recaptured Nirkattum Seval in 1764 after the death of Khan Sahib. 3. Yusuf Khan, who was negotiating with the Palayakaras without informing the company administration, was charged treachery and hanged in 1764. 4. Ondi Veeran led one of the army units of Kattabomman. The options A. Statement 1, 2 and 4 are correct. B. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. C. Statement 3 and 4 are correct. D. Statement 1 and 4 are correct. The answer is B. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 2. 1. Under Colonel Campbell, the English army went along with the Mahfuz Khan's army. 2. After Muthu Vadugar's death in Kalayar Kovil battle, Maruda brothers assisted Velu Nachas in restoring the throne to heir. 3. Gopala Nayak spearheaded the famous Dindukkal League. 4. In May 1799, Cornwallis ordered the advance of company armies to Tirunelveli. The options are A. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. B. Statement 2 and 3 are correct. C. Statement 2, 3 and 4 are correct. D. Statement 1 and 4 are correct. The answer is B. Statement 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 3. Accession. Pulithevar tried to get the support of Hyder Ali and the French. Reason. Hyder Ali could not help Pulithevar as he was already in the series of conflict with the Marathas. The options are A. Both accession and reason are correct, but reason is the correct explanation of accession. B. Both accession and reason are wrong. C. Both accession and reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation of accession. D. Accession is wrong and reason is correct. The answer is C. Both accession and reason are correct and the reason is the correct explanation of accession. Question number 4. Accession. Apart from the new military regulations, the most objectionable was the addition of the leather cockade in the turban. Reason. The leather cockade was made of animal skin. The options are A. Accession is wrong and reason is correct. B. Both accession and reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation of accession. C. Both accession and reason are wrong. D. Both accession and reason are correct but reason is the not correct the explanation of accession. The answer is B. Both accession and reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation of accession. Match the following. 1. Tirthagiri, Vellur Revolt. 2. Gopala Nayakar, Ramalinganar. 3. Bannerman, Dindukkal. 4. Subedar Sheikh Adam, Vellur Fort. 5. Colonel Fancourt, Vodanilai. Match the following. Correct answers. 1. Tirthagiri, Vodanilai. 2. Gopala Nayakar, Dindukkal. 3. Bannerman, Ramalinganar. 4. Subedar Sheikh Adam, Vellur Revolt. 5. Colonel Fancourt, Vellur Fort. Question number 1. What were the duties of the Palayakaras? The duties of Palayakaras were to collect revenue, to administer the territory, to settle disputes and to maintain law and order. Their police duties were known as Arasu Kaval. Question number 2. Identify the Palayams based on the division of East and West. There were two blocks, namely prominent Eastern and the Western Palayams. The Eastern Palayams were Satur, Nagalapuram, Ettayapuram and Panjalangurichi. The Western Palayams were Uthumalai, Talavankotai, Nadavangurichi, Singambatti and Seidur. Question number 3. What was the significance of the Battle of Kalakadu? Chanda Sahib, the Nawab, sent an additional contingent of Sipais to Mahfuz Khan, and the reinforcement army proceeded to Tirunelveli. Besides the 1,000 Sipais of the company, he received 600 more sent by the Nawab. He also had the support of cavalry and infantry from the Carnatic. In the meantime, 2,000 soldiers from Tiruvarungur joined the forces of Pulithevar. In the Battle of Kalakadu 1765, Mahfuz Khan's troops were routed. Question number 4. What was the bone of contention between company and Kattabomman? The company had gained the right to collect taxes from Panjalam Kurichi from the Nawab of Carnatic. The company appointed its collectors to collect taxes from all the Palayams. The collectors humiliated the Palayangaras and adopted forces to collect the taxes. This was the bone of contention between the English and Kattabomman. Question number 5. Highlight the essence of the Tiruchirappalli Proclamation of 1801. In February 1801, Omathurai and Sevathaiya brothers of Kattabomman escaped from Palayangotai prison. Chinnamarudhu took them to Suruvayal, his capital. The English demanded that the Marudhu Pandyas had over the fugitives. In the meantime, Marudhu Pandyas issued a proclamation of independence, which is called Tiruchirappalli Proclamation in June 1801. It was an early call to the Indians to unite against the British. Many Palayakaras of Tamil country rallied together to fight against the English.